This is QisMi Marijossan walking at Holy Family College. Holy Family College are back. I'm walking with my backpack on the way going down to my village. From my back, as the motorbike don't want to carry me, they are making shakara for me. I don't care, I have my legs. So I'm walking on my own. If they want to carry me, they carry me. If they don't want to carry me, alright. I'm walking. I'm seeing a lot of goodies. Hello. How are you? Good afternoon. Yes. There's some boys they are walking there. Like Ambrose, nice boys, handsome boys. Afternoon, sir. Yes. Now I have to find my way to Ekparakwa, one way or the other. If I have to walk down there, I will walk. Yes. This is 20th of April, 2022. Afternoon, madam. Yes. Ekparakwa. Nobody wants to carry me. They want to pick me up. I want to pay them money, but they don't want to take my money. I will walk. They are charging exorbitantly. I don't care. Ekparakwa. Don't worry, I will walk. I'm good at walking. Yes. Cut.